2 rifles, 2 generations, 1 battlefield, 4 decades. The M4A1 Carbine has been the weapon that American soldiers trust with their lives, from the deserts of Iraq to the mountains of Afghanistan. It's light, it's fast, it's battle-proven, but now a new challenger has arrived. The M7 rifle, chambered in a caliber that can punch through the toughest armor in the world, has stepped into the arena. This is more than just a gun upgrade. It's a fight over the future of American firepower. Tonight we put them head to head. Old guard versus new blood. The M4A1 versus the M7. And in the end, only one will hold the title of America's rifle of the future. The M4A1 wasn't born out of a desire for something new, it was born out of necessity. By the early 1990s, the US military realized that the M16A2 rifle, while accurate and powerful, was too long and heavy for urban combat and mechanized infantry operations. Special forces needed something lighter, faster, and easier to handle in tight spaces. Enter the M4 Carbine, essentially a shorter, lighter M16 with a 14.5-inch barrel, collapsible stock, and compatibility with every optic and accessory you could imagine. When the War on Terror began after September 11, 2001, the M4A1 quickly became the go-to weapon for special forces, and eventually for regular infantry. In the alleyways of Baghdad, its compact frame made it perfect for clearing rooms. In the mountains of Cunard, its light recoil allowed soldiers to maintain rapid, accurate fire under pressure. Soldiers could easily attach ACOG scopes, EOTech holographic sights, vertical grips, flashlights, and laser aiming modules. It was a rifle that could be customized for any mission. Quote, SGT, First Class, Iraq 2004, the M4A1 was like my right arm. I could trust it to do exactly what I needed, exactly when I needed it. Light enough to carry all day, fast enough to keep me alive. But as effective as it was, cracks began to show, especially as enemies began wearing more advanced body armor. By the late 2010s, US military planners faced a chilling reality. America's next war might not be against insurgents with a K-47S but against peer adversaries, countries like Russia or China, whose soldiers would be equipped with high-grade armor and advanced rifles. The 5.56 x 45mm NATO round, while excellent for low recoil rapid fire, lacked the energy to reliably penetrate modern ballistic plates beyond medium range. That's when the Pentagon launched the Next Generation Squad Weapon Program, a competition to create a rifle and light machine gun that could dominate on the battlefields of 2030 and beyond. In 2022, the winner was announced, Sig Sauer's XM7 rifle, soon to be designated the M7. This rifle was unlike anything in standard US service. Caliber, 6.8 x 51mm, 277 Fury, designed for extreme penetration and long-range lethality. Barrel, shorter than the M4's but engineered for high-pressure rounds. Optics, integrated with next-gen fire control systems capable of calculating wind, range, and even target movement. Suppressor, designed to operate suppressed as standard, reducing flash and sound signature. The M7 is heavier, about 8.3 lbs unloaded, and its ammo is bulkier, but each shot carries nearly double the energy of a 5.56 round. Quote, Army Test Operator, 2023, when you fire the M7, you feel it. This isn't a spray and pray rifle. Every round counts, and every round hits like a hammer. Feature, M4A1 Carbine, caliber, 5.56 x 45mm NATO, barrel length, 14.5 in, weight, unloaded, 6.9 lbs, effective range, ~500-600 m, rate of fire, 700-950 rounds per minute, penetration, light armor, recoil, low, customization, high, feature, M7 rifle, XM7, caliber, 6.8 x 51mm, 277 Fury, barrel length, 13.5 in, weight, unloaded, 8.3 lbs, effective range, ~800-1000 m, rate of fire, ~700 rounds per minute, penetration, advanced body armor, recoil, medium-high, customization, high, with suppressor standard. The M4A1 shines in close quarters combat. You can carry more ammo, react faster, and keep recoil under control even when firing full auto bursts. The M7 is a marksman's dream. Its 6.8mm round punches through barriers, armor, and even light vehicles at distances where the M4 would struggle. But there's a trade-off. Heavier ammo means fewer rounds carried. Where an M4-equipped soldier might carry 210 rounds, an M7 rifleman might carry 140-160. Some operators worry this will change small unit tactics. More emphasis will be placed on accuracy over volume of fire, a shift not all soldiers are eager for. Quote, Infantry Specialist, 2024, with the M4, I can lay down a wall of lead, if I have to. With the M7, every trigger pull feels like a sniper shot. It's a different mindset. The 5.56 NATO is about speed and control. Lighter rounds mean soldiers can carry more. Recoil is minimal, making it easy to control in bursts. Proven effectiveness in countless engagements. The 6.8 Fury is about pure, stopping power, higher velocity, heavier bullet, better penetration. Designed to defeat advanced body armor at 600 plus meters, matches or exceeds many sniper rounds in terminal ballistics. The question becomes, do you want to carry more bullets or more powerful bullets? The M4A1 thrives with traditional optics, ACOGs, yokes, red dots, reliable, simple, and effective. The M7 is designed from the ground up for smart optics. These systems can automatically adjust reticles for bullet drop, wind, and target speed, a huge advantage in first shot accuracy. Plus, its standard suppressor doesn't just make it quieter, it reduces recoil impulse, hides muzzle flash, and makes it harder for enemies to pinpoint a shooter's location. Replacing hundreds of thousands of rifles isn't cheap. The M7 will cost more than the M4, and the 6.8 Fury ammo is significantly pricier to produce. There's also the issue of retraining soldiers, modifying armories, and establishing entirely new ammunition supply chains. Because of this, the Army plans a gradual rollout. Frontline combat units will get the M7 first, while the M4A1 continues to serve in support roles for years. In the 1960s, the US switched from the heavy, powerful M14 to the lighter, faster M16. Many soldiers resisted the change at first, but over time, the M16 and its descendants became the standard. Now, history has reversed. The military is moving from a light, fast rifle to a heavier, harder-hitting one. And just like back then, debates rage in the barracks, online forums, and training ranges. In close-quarters combat, the M4A1 is still unmatched for speed, handling, and volume of fire. In open battlefields or against armored enemies, the M7 dominates. The future likely won't be all or nothing. Specialized units may carry the M7, while others keep the M4A1, depending on mission needs. The M4A1 built its legend over decades of war. The M7 is here to write the next chapter. One is a trusted friend, the other is a lethal newcomer. Which one will define America's next generation of soldiers? Time and battle will decide.